see these dogs in your front yard? Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, it's your boy 302 back with another video. I tell you, just a little quick video. It's a video, nothing crazy. You know, I'm finna go drive my race car to the school, pick up my kids. It was crazy. I'm finna pull up to the daycare in the bus 302. My kids love when I come pick them up in my car. I ain't gonna lie. They be having a time of their life. The crazy part about it is they can hear me. Like, when I pull up to the school, they can hear me outside before I even come in to come get them. It's crazy. Like, when I come in, they already be ready to go. So we about to, you know, pull up to their school right now. Y'all stay tuned.
Drugs got me out of character. My bitch tell me I'm so arrogant. Like fuck them niggas, we ain't let them know. Bitch niggas always love some bitch nigga. Acting like your ass be rich, you ain't got shit, nigga.
Come on. Come on, this way. Come on, y'all.
This way.
Come on. How your shoes doing tied that quick? Get the riding daddy car. Get the riding daddy car. Hey, man, you coughing on me? Yeah. Here. Come on. Come on, get in.
Daddy, look.
You said you want me to raise the window up or put it down? You want me to put the window up? You cold? You cold too? What's up, Cole? About to give y'all a little POV view video of me, you know, driving from my point of view of the car. I'm on the way to work, so I got a little bit of highway action. I'm about to get on the highway, you know, just show you the way of the turbo car, show you how turbo cars get in a little bit. You know, nothing too crazy. Just wanna ride, do a little bit of riding on the way to work. It's a little dark out here, you know. Nice a lot of crackling, of course. I got dumps on the car, so you know it's a lot of crackling going on, a lot of, you know. Hopefully I might find a race out here, we can get some action then. Gotta speed up a little bit so I can catch up with the traffic, you know we gotta do that. Y'all probably can't hear me that good. What the heck is that thing that's in front of me? It's like an old school bus or an army bus or something. Let's go around him. 2 hands on the steering wheel, how y'all be doing on y'all YouTube videos. How you looking at me? He was looking at me like, what is that? This is the Boss 302, sir. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, let's keep on going, man. Get around these guys real quick. Oh, I love this car, man. I don't know if y'all can hear the sounds of the turbos and stuff like that, but trust me, it's an amazing sound, nigga. Like, I love this sound. Like, it's lit, man. It's like a true driver's experience driving like a twin turbo car, because it's like you gotta kind of have like mature, like you gotta be very mature, because it's like it's so easy to just say fuck it, I'm about to speed and pass everybody. Like, you gotta have some self-control in it. There's a lot of power behind your pedal. Like, having that much power behind, like riding behind that much power is like that you can have at any time is like kind of, it's actually kind of psycho when you think about it, but it's all about having self-control, man. You gotta have some self-control, man. That's all it takes, a little bit of self-control. I had to learn something myself, because you really be ready to just get in this car. I know it ain't no traffic. Oh my God, it's traffic. I should have went the other way. Come on, man, on a Sunday? Everybody's supposed to be at home. I thought I was the only person that worked on Sundays. Oh, well, it is what it is. Check my phone now. But yeah, man, I was trying to give y'all a little first person on the way to work video, but it looked like I'm gonna have to cut it short because there's a lot of traffic up this way. Man, got a bunch of dirt bikes and bikes on the back of this expedition. Hurry up and get past this truck. Woo, my goodness. The way this car lifted up is crazy. I said, don't jump in front of me. Why y'all jumping in front of me? But that's what I meant by, you know, because that lane was ended, so you never know when you gotta get by. That's one of my favorite things to do. This car is fast, man. It's really fast. They got streetcar takeover this weekend in South Carolina. I'm thinking about going. I'm mad I missed the one in Alabama, man. A lot of people was there. Just the 6 was there. A lot of people was out there. But it's all good, man. Really thinking about redoing this car, like taking it, rebuilding the engine and stuff like that. Squeeze a little bit more horsepower out of it. Who knows? I might not. It is what it is. Either way it go, the car's been a blast though. Just riding around. I haven't had too many issues out of it. I've had a few, but not too many. Like, you know, regular car issues. Like, it's just how it go. But for the most part, the car is in good health, good condition. I'm still trying to get y'all that race content, because I know a few people was like, that's what they want the most. Got a couple of guys I got my eyes on, but I gotta do a little bit more preparation with the car before I decide to go out there and do that. But that's definitely coming, so stay tuned for that. If my hands is ashy, I was washing the car, that's why they ashy like that. So, you know, be like that sometimes, so y'all don't be roasting me. It's a little bit of hand, a little bit of ashiness, not nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, this is what it's like, you know, you just riding around chilling. Car actually rides normal. People be thinking like, because it's a turbo car, you might have like regular driving issues. But as you can see, look, it's simple. I'm in 3rd gear right now, kick it down to 2nd gear. It's nothing crazy. Now when you start to get on it, it do get a little it do feel a little but you know, regular driving is perfectly fine. That Tesla, man. Tesla is so clean, man. I wouldn't mind having one of those, man. Look at that. That's a nice car. Like, I don't care what nobody say. I know y'all, a lot of people don't like the EV and electric cars, but that's a nice car, man. It's just so state of the art. Everything is so new and clean, and it's nice. I like it. Definitely like it. I wouldn't mind having one of my own. I wouldn't mind owning one. It's pretty cool. But yeah. Yeah, man. Did y'all see the video with my first meet I did? First car meet was pretty cool, man. Let them hear some muscle. Yeah, Tesla, this is what a V8 sound like. I thought she let the window down because she wanted to look at my car. She looking at you, checking me out. Not like when little kids look at my car, it'd be funny. They be so fascinated. They be like, what is that? Like, why does it sound like that? Hey, look, there go that little van that was in front of me. I don't know if y'all can see it on the GoPro. That's that little van that was them. That's like an old school bus or something. I don't know. Pretty crazy. Oh, yeah, baby. That lady better slow down behind me. This lady in this Charger driving a little crazy behind me. This ain't what you want, boo-boo. Slow it down. Slow it down. She pulled up on me like she the police. Camaro action over there. Man, now this, look at that Tesla. Oh my God, it looks so good. I want one of them so bad. They expensive though. Like, I can get another muscle car for the price I pay for them, but I guess you get what you pay for though. It's a nice car. I like it. Yeah, man, just a quick POV video. I hope that wasn't too boring. I'm gonna do some things up under the hood. I gotta get some turbo guards so I can put on these turbos. As you can see, I don't have no turbo guards on there, and my filters that I had on there, tell me why the turbo got so hot they burnt off. What I messed up at was I tried to take them off while the car was still too hot, and it burnt the filters up. But yeah, I want to get some turbo guards to go on into these. I'm gonna finally get a catch can. I'm gonna get a catch can and probably mount somewhere over here or something like that, or back up there somewhere. I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna finally just go ahead and get it so I can take these breathers off. Even though I like the smell of E85 and oil every time I do a pull, but it kind of bothers people that be riding with me. So they be like, why the car smell like that? I'm like, yeah, after I do a hit, it breathes through the heads and you smell a little bit in the car. That's how it goes. So I'm gonna get an oil catch can, connect both of those, probably put it somewhere back there, probably. Connect it somewhere back there and make it look good, you know, nice and clean. But yeah, man, just like I said, just a quick ride to work, nothing special. I haven't been really posting like that, so I'm gonna, you know, just post some stuff, keep y'all in tune of what's going on with the car. You know, we got over 1,000 subscribers now. We're doing pretty good in the hood. All I need y'all to do really is just watch the whole video. When you watching my videos, make sure you get the whole video. Like don't skip to the part that you like or the part you think is best or something like that. For my whole video, all my videos be good. They be good. The whole video be good. So you know, just make sure y'all watch the whole video the whole time. This is like I said, this is a video, just a little PSA, public service announcement, just talking to the fans, you know, talking to my people. We alive and well for this boost season that we got going on. You know, it's boost season, baby. You know how boost season is. I might need some more tires too, though. What y'all think about these tires? Nah, the lines still thick, little lines. They still got thick lines on them. I think it's still good. It's mostly a drag slick anyway, but should be good. I'm definitely gonna take these fronts off and go back with the original ones that I had. I like them better, the Mickey Thompson SR Sportmans. They better. They feel more stable on the road and stuff like that. So I'm gonna definitely go back with that. But yeah, man, car's still running healthy. Car's still running good. I gotta do a tune-up. Change these spark plugs. Do another oil change just because. But yeah, for the most part, we ready for about to get ready for boost season. Got a couple runs I got lined up that I know y'all gonna love, and they fast runs too. I don't even know if I'm gonna win them, but I'm gonna try them anyway, just so you know I can get some content for my people. So y'all stay tuned for that too. It's your boy 302. We finna check up out of here. Just giving y'all a little update on the car, showing y'all a little point of view from the inside, and we out of here. Damo.